Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. It is like 5 days to Christmas and I'm still not in the Christmas spirit. I really need to drag myself into the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to do some Christmas glam. Don't know how well this is going to turn out. Never done Christmas glam before, but they say there's a first time for everything, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my eyes. Normally I do like bronzer and highlighter, but I think I would be using some glitter, so yeah. Going to start with the eyes. So first I'm going to take the Amber palette from Primark and use shade Rust. No, I'm not. I'm going to use shade Tan, which is this one, just to give me a bit of a base coat. So base coat, what am I on about? You know what I mean. So I'm just going to cover the whole lid in this tan colour. So that is the tan down. I'm guessing you already knew that I started off with my foundation off camera, so there you go. Then I am going to take the Revolution palette I bought the other day. This is Beautiful Darkness, which picked up in such a bargain. If I can open it. Yeah, if I can open it. Why can't I open it? I should have had my Weetabix. Oh my god, why can't I open it? I've just literally opened it. Yay! So, ooh. That was hard work. So yes, I'm going to take the colour Demon, which is like a burgundy colour. Wow, this is very powdery. Ooh, that's gone into the next colour. So I'm going to have to be careful with this. So I'm going to take colour 21 from the South palette, because you all know that I adore this palette. I've got a lash in my eye. Please don't cry, please don't cry. Okay, I'm crying. So I'm going to go in with this palette, which I can't open it again. And I'm going to take Dead Rose, which is that one. And then go on the lid. I've gone in with the Dead Rose, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a shimmer. And then I am going to get a gold, which I'm going to use LA Sun, which is that one. I'm going to go with my finger. And just, can you see? I'm not happy with the top of this one, so I've got the Zulu palette from Jolia's Palace, and I'm going to take this reddish colour and then just go over it. So now going with the centre of the gold, I'm going to take a white shimmer from a number 7 palette that I have got, I'm going to take a clean brush and then just... So next I have got a bit of red glitter. This is like a jelly glitter, and then this is where it all goes wrong. So it looks like that. It's very sparkly. So I know I only want a tiny bit, so I'm going to take a bit there, then I'm going to place it in the inner corner. I'm going to try and drag the glitter underneath the lid, not underneath the lid, underneath the lower lash. And now I am going to get a mascara. So the mascara I'm going to use is a MAC one, and it is the Bold and Bad Lash. So I'm just going to pop these on. So now I've done my lashes, I'm going to go in with a bronzer. So bronzer is done. Then I am going to take a bit of the Kiko blush, which is this lovely red colour. So I'm only going to take a bit of this. I'm only going to take a bit of this. So blush done. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it, which I love. And then I'm going to go in with a highlighter, which is this MUA highlighter I've got. It's like a white and gold one mixed together. So get my highlighting brush. Don't like it. I'm going to go and get a different highlight. So I've got a different highlighter. This is the I Heart Makeup Bleeding Heart. It's in the shape of a heart. So it's got flakes of gold in this one. Oh, should have tapped in. Wow, that is very red. And it's Christmas Glam. So that is no lips. Oh my god, how could I have forgot my lips? So the lips I'm going to use is none other than Fenty. I love this red, and I want any occasion just to use it. So that occasion is now. But yeah, that is my over-the-top Christmas Glam, and it's not a good look on me because I don't think I've done it well, but it is very over the top, it is very Christmassy, and it is very glam. So that is very over the top. I think I have gone quite heavy on the blush and the highlighter, but I quite like it. It's very Christmassy. If I wanted to dress up and look like this for the day, then Christmas Day would be the day I picked. So thank you for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. It's goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.